Right, so Savona Zinc, it's quite good. Sorry about the motorbike, but I absolutely love this water feature. It's not staying there, ignore the frame in the background. But I was looking for a video of it online. A couple of things to note. I'm going to go straight into the negatives because, you know, just looking at it, it looks fantastic. The reason I bought it really is the sound. Now, it sounds quite quiet here, but if you take out these filters, and it gets louder every one you take out, like that sounds incredible. I absolutely love that sound, and that was the reason I bought it. So I'm just going to go into the negatives really quickly. Actually, positive first. The cable on it is super long, like most of it's dropped behind there, so and tied off behind there, so that the cable on it is super long. As I said, it's not staying here. Literally just set it up today. So again, negatives. The pictures on it online look like it's sort of an oxidized metal. It's not. Like, it's just painted. So there's no, it's not real metal oxidization. Like, I've got a few sort of mars and scratches on mine where I'm guessing there was quite obviously, when they spray painted it, there was a hair on there or something, and there's a bit of dust. So if you're thinking it's like oxidized metal as they've kind of advertised it to be, it's not. It's just lightly spray painted, and then there's like these runny marks down it, but that's fine, you know, that's not a problem. One of the issues I've found with it though is on the right hand side, for some reason, or the left hand side if you've got it the other way around, yeah, these nozzles are all sort of like going out to the side, and again that's kind of a pattern all the way down, so yeah, whereas that side is absolutely flush. So I'm gonna speak to the people I bought it off to see if I can fix that. I don't know if it was like glue or something that's been put in, or it's just trapped, but there's something going off there. And then the other thing is the instructions tell you to put the cable through the hole in the side, and it sort of suggests there's a hole in one of these edges, but there isn't. And I've just, as you can see, wedged it down the back for the pump, which is under there. They really could have done with sending like a mesh or something to go over there, so you can add stones on it, or something like that, make it look a little bit better. Again, they didn't, but you can get some mesh as an optional thing. It just, I think it looks better if it had some stones on the bottom. And then the other thing is, it's really, really flimsy. So, like, it shakes like really easily. And if you look, like, these are all those are bolted in, but you can actually see, it's worse this side, you can actually see the metal flexing at the back there. So I don't know if that's a stability issue, or maybe I've got one on there. It does make me worry about the longevity. Like, you know, in a big windy day, a lot of that happening, you know, it's got, yeah, it's quite a bit of movement, and it'll go further, but yeah, so I love it, but not without its issues. So yeah, yeah, I'm happy I bought it, but I'm probably going to get in touch with the place I bought it from, because that isn't right. I'm sure that's not right. And there's got to be a way to shore this up a bit, because that can't be okay. You can see it bending the frame at the base. So apart from those two things, you know, I'm not going to kick off about some hairs being stuck in the spray paint. It was just, you know what it's like. Places will advertise something, and obviously the picture online will look amazing, and it says, like, you know, zinc effect, and it says zinc and blah blah, but it's not. It's spray painted. What it's made out of, I've got no idea. So hopefully I can find some way of shoring up the bottom. Hopefully the manufacturer's got some advice, but yeah, I'm gonna have a word about that. I'm not happy about that, so hopefully they can at the very least tell me how I can realign those. So that's it. Let me know what you think.